So as a new user to Asset Planet Pro Trading Tools, you had two files to download. File 1 had all the EXE trading programs. File 2 is the Pro Trading Tools support documents. And in your view right now, you're seeing the Windows Explorer when it's uncompressed. Double click, and there's the files that's included in your Pro Trading Tools support documents. And I want to show you one unique thing, which is test samples. We created test samples, test folders, so you could simulate the entire process before you start actually using your live client data. A lot of people feel more comfortable about exploring, not having to worry about breaking anything, hurting anything, and feel free to use this program because you can't hurt anything. We've included the test sample for templates and client restrictions. Balance and positions is whereas you download your positions from Schwab. This is already simulating what it would be. Balance master, all fake numbers. Everything is fake within the test samples. One of our features is a compliance export. Well, this is where you're going to put the compliance log 2022 or 2023, whatever year it ends up being, and then you can see how it works. Exporting to Schwab, that would be what will eventually import to do your trade files. But right now it's going to have to export somewhere. And for models, one of our programs is Rebalance to Model. We've created one simple model here, just so you can see an experience. And then we have a position to buy, position to sell. That's used in our buy and sell trading programs. And like the compliance log, there's a trading log. This is complete, included with every single new user.